What's happening is when they're unloading the coal wagons at NRG, there's getting leftover bits of coal that as the train's leaving, they vibrate, enter the air, cause dust emissions. And they can also fall out through the bottom of the wagon and wreck the railway underneath.
Video analytics was the option that we actually recommend. This is based on the colour and the shapes of objects, so that's going to distinguish the coal hang-ups within the wagons and separate them for us to be able to remove them accurately.
As first year students, Gladstone Power Station finds that you actually have access to people that can be very innovative and creative in the way they think, and also by, I guess, coming with a level of minimal knowledge, they actually sort of tend to want to explore and find maybe that creative solution that more experienced people probably take for granted or presuppose as the outcome that you're after. So first year is actually a fairly dynamic. They're always excited and interesting, and particularly to be able to come to the station, you can just sort of, I guess, get some excitement and air out of that, which then draws a lot of interest from other people on the station as to what are these people doing and what's going on, which helps support the project.
When we started the problem, we went and had a look at the site. Actually had a look at their unloading facility, witnessed the train being unloaded, so we could actually see where we'd have to implement our system. So what sort of structure and existing systems were there that we'd have to work in with to design our solution.
I'm glad that we live sort of in Gladstone and the industry is willing to participate with the local university, and it was great to get out on site, and they slowed down the coal wagons for us, so we were able to have a close look at what was the problem that was there.
Gladstone Power Station recognises, by having the university in the same town and local, that we actually get to see people earlier and start to form a relationship. We value that particularly in regards to the co-op program, and we heavily support that with taking students on board for various periods of industry practice. And we then look at that as a feeder opportunity into our graduate program and then onwards as professional engineers. So the ability to access and see a lot of the talent early on is very beneficial to us.
Yeah, it's incredibly good to see the amount of enthusiasm there is out in industry for us young students.